In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your American Express account to QuickBooks Online. This process will help you streamline your financial management by allowing QuickBooks to automatically import your transaction data, saving you time and boosting efficiency. Now let's dive into the steps. First, open your web browser and go to the QuickBooks Online website. If you're not already familiar with the site, you can easily find it by doing a quick Google search. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner and click on the Sign In option. This step is crucial as it sets you up to access all the QuickBooks features. Next, log into your QuickBooks account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by following the prompts on the site. Assuming you're now logged in, navigate to the Bank Transactions section. Look for this option. It's typically located in the menu that appears on the left side of the dashboard. This is where all your bank connections are managed. With the Bank Transactions dashboard open, you should see a button labeled Connect Account. Go ahead and click on that. This part is essential because it initiates the process of linking your bank or credit account to QuickBooks. You should find yourself at a point where QuickBooks asks you to specify which financial institution you'd like to connect. In the search bar that appears, type American Express. Be sure to enter it correctly to find the right option quickly. Clicking on American Express will lead you into the next phase of the connection process. From here, click on the option that says Sign In to American Express. Doing so will redirect you to American Express's secure login page. Here you need to enter your American Express account details. Simply fill in your username and password, ensuring they're accurate to prevent any login issues. After successfully logging in, you'll see an Agree and Connect button. Before proceeding, make sure to read the terms and conditions to understand what you're consenting to. Once you're ready, clicking Agree and Connect will finalize the process. You've now connected your American Express account to QuickBooks Online. The platform will start importing your transactions, typically taking a few minutes for everything to appear. It's a good idea to regularly check to ensure everything syncs correctly, especially after making significant transactions. By following these instructions, you've enabled seamless transaction tracking between your American Express account and QuickBooks, enhancing your financial oversight. Thanks for watching and enjoy the newfound ease in managing your finances.